So check this out. This little tip right here can be the deciding factor of whether or not you're losing weight or you're plateauing and not seeing progress when it comes to the scale. It's so like overlooked, but it's like really important, and that's the oils. Oil is very calorie dense, and what I mean by that is the little amount that you use contains a lot of calories. You can see right here, one serving size of oil is 1 teaspoon, but a little bit more accurate is 14 grams. 14 grams of coconut oil is 130 calories. I'm gonna show you how small 13 grams of oil is. And this is for all oils. It's not just coconut oil. This is avocado oil, canola oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil you're using. All oils are like really calorie dense. So pay attention to this. That's 14 grams of oil. That right there is 130 calories. That's a lot of calories added to your meal that you're eating. Let's be honest, what most people do, right? You grease the whole thing, just pouring it in there, not taking into account how many calories are in there. All you're thinking about is making it taste good, make sure it's not sticking to the pan, and you're just pouring it away. One meal can be an extra 500 calories just from the oils alone. So I just want to drive that home, make sure that you're paying attention to the amounts that you're using. To be honest, I already use a fourth of that and take those extra calories and then just eat more food. And that'll help you stay fuller longer, that'll help you prevent yourself from overeating because you're not as hungry. And you know, like I said, there's just less oil that you have to take into your body, so keep that in mind. That's important. That video was about 4 years ago when I was using a coconut oil, which is a solid oil. And most of you all aren't using that when you're cooking your food. So I want to show you a realistic example of what it looks like. 14 grams of oil. All right. Right there, a little bit over, which is 130 calories, maybe even a little bit more since it's 15 grams. The issue is a lot of you all are using 5 to 7 times this amount of oil. You don't even know it because you're not weighing it out. You're just greasing the entire skillet, like I said in that video, and you're just making your food taste good and cooking all your different meals with oil. You put more oil in there to cook the next thing and so on and so forth. This is causing you to gain weight because you're not accounting for it with your overall food choices that you're making. It's not that you can't have oil or that you can't use it to cook your foods, but be aware of the amounts that you're using. And maybe use half of that oil, right? Half of this, and then the other half, a little bit of vegetable broth, right? Or a little bit of water if you're sauteing your vegetables and things like that. You don't want to just fill it up with oil because this is going to keep you from reaching your goals if you're just dousing your food in oil and such. So the main thing is to have some calorie awareness so you know how many calories are in the food choices that you're making on a daily basis so that you can reach your body goals, your health goals, your fat loss goals, and you do so in a measurable and accountable way by knowing what you put into your body. I want to invite you to join the Built by Plants Pocket Coach, which is our private community and app where I have all the tools, the resources, the courses, and the community to help you succeed towards your goals. We have an actual drag and drop meal plan builder that's going to allow you to grab foods that are inside of what we call the virtual kitchen. It's basically all of our plant-based recipes that have been designed to specifically work for the calories and the protein that you need so you can make some progress. You can take the meals out of the virtual kitchen and drag and drop them onto your meal plan builder. And every day, Monday through Sunday, it'll let you know what you're taking in, a recipe video to show you how to make them, also how many calories for that specific day, so you can stay structured. Also, it's going to give you a virtual grocery list so you can grab only what you need so you're not wasting money when you get into the grocery store. I know that sounds perfect, but let me tell you the rest. It's also have a private community and an actual app that you can download from the App Store or the Android store so you can post inside of our community. Similar to like Facebook without all the junk, this is specifically towards people that have goals that want to see themselves succeed on a plant-based diet. Even if you've been plant-based for 15 years, you can always make progress towards how your body looks. And that's what this is geared towards. So all of our community members are posting their meals, they post their workouts, they ask questions, and every Sunday we meet on a Zoom call where we're connecting, we're growing, we're creating new recipes from scratch, we're meal prepping together, doing all type of cool things that's going to help you stay in line and stay mentally prepared and mentally focused so you can actually reach your goal, right? I know you only lost 20 pounds before, but guess what? It usually comes right back. Because you don't have no support, you don't have no accountability, you don't have no guidance, you don't have nobody in your life in this area that's helping you make progress. And that's what I want for you. Once you go to the next page, it's $27 per month in order to get the pocket coach. And you can cancel if you don't like it, but you're not going to cancel, you're going to love it. I will see you inside the pocket coach so I can help you make progress towards your goals and stick with this lifestyle for the rest of your life. See you in a few.